Working in a garden spade or yard can take a toll on your body. It requires much effort to dig up holes or break up hard soil. The main purpose of a garden spade is to dig soil, although they can be handy during gardening tasks, shifting soil and perfecting lawn edges. The garden forks and spades are very important tools to maintain your garden. In this video, we will show you guys the 7 best garden spade you could buy now. All of their links are available in the description box if you are interested. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump to the video. Number 7. Radius Garden 22011 Root Slayer Shovel. The Radius Garden 22011 Root Slayer Shovel will handle any digging projects if you need stubborn roots and turf. The traditional pointed tip, the Radius Garden 22011 Root Slayer Shovel's blade, features an inverted V design, making it more versatile while still being as effective. You can use it as a lever to pull rocks from the ground. You will not regret failing to bring your saw along because the blade on the spade is serrated on either side with sharp teeth that can cut through tough roots. It is a good substitute for the hammer when you must drive some stakes into the ground. The garden digging shovel with durable powder-coated carbon steel tip. The O-handle grip is a game changer when dealing with tough ground. It will give you 4 times the surface of a standard D handle. With the extra grip, you can get more leverage while experiencing less fatigue on your hand and wrist. Number 6. Spearhead Spade SHFD3 Gardening Shovel. The Spearhead Spade SHFD3 Gardening Shovel features high-carbon manganese steel that performs better. Its spearhead profile allows you to easily burrow its head into the soil, making those tough digging tasks less stressful. The extra strong reinforced fiberglass handle will not wear down with the weather and will absorb shocks and vibrations when battling dense surfaces. The ear-shaped footrest is wider than normal, and you can push it down with your foot with less hassle. This blade will do the job, whether digging in dense clay or hard rocky soil. It is coated with a unique epoxy powder that reduces friction when penetrating the soil. This also makes it easier to clean the blade. It also allows your blade to get shaper through continuous use. The shovel can be used for all landscaping, gardening, and digging tasks but is especially suited for clay, rocky, and compacted soils. Number 5. Root Assassin 48-inch Garden Shovel. The Root Assassin 48 Garden Shovel is constructed and designed regardless of the nature of the task. The shovel acts as a multi-purpose tool and tackles special tasks that a traditional shovel cannot handle. The RA001's carbon steel blade features a curved tip that gives you maximum leverage, making it possible to dig deeper and cut through the toughest obstacles. The edges of the blade are serrated with over 16 sharp teeth that can easily cut through pesky roots, stumps, and weeds. The shovel is also designed to feel comfortable on your hands. It has a grip at the top and middle of the handle. The aluminum handle is heavy-duty, lightweight, and will not wear out or rust like traditional shovels. Its rubber coating will give you more grip and leverage when dealing with tough gardening tasks. With the innovative wing design on the blade, you can work more efficiently with the shovel. Number 4. Fiskars Steel D-Handle Flat Square Garden Spade. The Fiskars Steel D-Handle Flat Square Garden Spade feels as strong as it looks and features a 14-gauge powder-coated steel blade. With its superior craftsmanship, the blade will give. This spade is perfect for slicing through thick grass, cutting a trench, or digging. The big step will enable you to exert more pressure on the spade with your foot. The sharpened blade will penetrate the tough soil quickly, allowing you to break up stubborn dirt clods. The big step will enable you to exert more pressure on the spade with your foot. The Fiskars Steel Square Garden Spade is also designed to make things easier. You can use both hands for more secure two-handed control. The shaft is designed to conform to the shape of your hand. You can maintain a sturdy and comfortable grip while increasing your leverage. The extra-large D-handle and foot platform design secures two-handed control when digging and help maximize force when driving the blade into the soil. Number 3. Roamwild Multidigger Garden Spade. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade is uniquely designed to perform various tasks that a standard spade cannot handle. Its unique design allows you to direct your power into the soil. The head is shaped like an arrowhead, pushing the blade harder, especially in hard rocky soil, dense clay, or any other tough environment. The blade also features a serrated edge that easily cuts through tough roots and sod. The handle is made from reinforced fiberglass and is designed to give you more power and control when digging. It is also lightweight and ergonomically designed to provide more grip. It incorporates 2 sets of grips that give you more control and flexibility when doing less demanding tasks such as edging or heavy-duty tasks like digging up stumps. The Roamwild Multi-Digger Garden Spade is well built with high-quality materials that guarantee its durability. Number 2. Fiskars Ergo Trowel Hand Tool. The Fiskars Ergo Trowel Hand Tool with aluminum head and hang hole is designed for easy use and lasting durability, making it an ideal addition to your gardening essentials. The heavy-duty polished aluminum head encourages rust resistance, and our durable design means this hand trowel won't break even with heavy use. The ergonomic non-slip grip handle allows for more control, and the handle hang hole enables easy storage. This Ergo hand trowel garden tool is designed to cut through tough turf cleanly, making it the essential choice for digging when planting, taking up plants, and more. Designed to help you transform the backyard, Fiskars lawn and gardening tools are equipped with smart technologies and award-winning, ergonomic features that make it easier and more enjoyable to perform your own lawn care. Number 1. Garden Guru's Super Strong Garden Trowel. The Garden Guru's Super Strong Garden Trowel can planting, transplanting, removing stubborn weeds, mixing soil and compost or scooping fertilizer. The handy garden trowel is the gardener's go-to tool. Rust-resistant blade is thick for strength and durability, wide and concave for scooping, properly designed for professional-grade applications. Large and thick with thumb rest on top and finger grooves on bottom. Well designed for those in search of an agreeable grip that minimizes hand stress and fatigue. It is strong, rugged and well suited for nearly all outdoor assignments. Placer mining for gold, metal detecting for lost treasure or camping with friends, this trowel will come in handy for all your digging purposes, and you will be glad to have it stowed away in your backpack. Garden Guru uses recycled and recyclable materials where possible, and is committed to reducing environmental impact. Make sure to check the description box for all the links regarding the mentioned. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We will be back with more videos soon.